In this video, I show you how to fix Facebook Lite video option not available problem. For fixing this problem, go to Play Store, search Facebook Lite, click on Facebook Lite, click on uninstall. Now install again. Now click on open. Now log into your account. Now you can see that Facebook Lite video icon. If this method not working, then click on three dot, scroll down, click on logout, click on yes. Now log in again. Now I hope that you can see Facebook Lite video option. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.